All right, let's jump right in. We're going to talk about a connection between two parts of your body that, well, you probably never think of together: your brain and your teeth. I know, it sounds kind of weird, right? But stick with me because what we're about to uncover is pretty fascinating. So here's the core idea, plain and simple. How healthy your teeth are could actually affect your brain. And no, we're not just talking about the misery of a toothache. This is something much deeper. A potential link between, brushing and flossing and the health of your actual brain.
Okay, so what exactly is this shocking claim? Let's dig into the specifics of this connection.
Get ready for this. The claim is that poor dental health has been linked to shrinkage, actual physical shrinkage in the brain's memory center. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about a real physical change to the part of your brain that you use for everything: learning new things, remembering people's names, holding on to your most precious memories. Okay, wait a minute. How on earth can what's happening in your mouth possibly have an impact on your brain? It sounds completely disconnected, right? It's a huge question, and to really get our heads around it, we've got to unpack this thing piece by piece. All right, let's break it down. We're talking mouth versus mind. To really get it, we need to look at both pieces of the puzzle. So first up, what do we even mean by poor dental health? Look, we're not just talking about getting one little cavity. Think bigger. We're talking about ongoing issues, stuff like gum disease or really stubborn tooth decay. These are problems that can create this constant low-level inflammation inside your body. And on the other side of this, you've got the brain's memory center. We're talking about super important parts of the brain, like the hippocampus. A good way to think about it is like it's the brain's librarian. Its whole job is to file away new memories and then help you find them later. I mean, it's literally the part of you that holds onto who you are. And that brings us back to this word shrinkage. Let's be super clear. This isn't some kind of metaphor. We're talking about a physical reduction, a literal loss of brain tissue in size and volume. That means the actual cells that make up your memories could be disappearing. It's a pretty heavy idea. Okay, so this is the big mystery, right? How does a problem in your mouth make its way all the way up to your brain? Well, the answer really gets to the heart of how our bodies work. Everything is way more connected than you might think. So, picture this. Your mouth is basically a gateway to the rest of your body. Now, if you have something like chronic gum disease, the nasty bacteria and all the inflammation they cause, they don't just hang out in your mouth. Nope. They can actually get into your bloodstream. And once they're there, they can travel anywhere, creating this kind of simmering, low-grade inflammation all over. The theory is that this inflammation can eventually cross the protective barrier around your brain and over time start doing some real damage. So let's bring this all home. What's the big takeaway here? What does all of this actually mean for you and me? It's actually pretty straightforward. Taking care of your teeth is so much more than just having a nice smile for photos. It's actually a key part of taking care of your brain. Your oral health is brain health. It's connected to the very organ that holds your memories, your personality, literally everything that makes you who you are. And that really leaves you wondering, doesn't it? If your teeth and your brain are connected in this incredible way, what other secret connections are hiding inside our bodies, shaping our health in ways we haven't even discovered yet?